In this video, we're going to talk about inserting spatialized sound into the Hear360 template. If we will go to channel 15 over here, we will see that we have a plugin that is not installed. Let's copy its name, search for it, and install it. It is free. If you are meeting this error message, go to Security and Privacy in your system preferences. Then go to General and confirm the installation. You would have to put your password in. Now open your Reaper template again and you will see that the plugin is right there on channel 15. If we will read Greg's notes, we will see that this track is used to convert Ambisonic recordings into 7.1 or B format. Now I will import a spatialized recording from the Zoom H2N. You can see that it has 4 channels. Now here in the plugin I have some basic settings I can adjust, and here is the output settings which I can change to the one required by Hear360. Alright. Let's see what Greg has to say about importing spatialized sound into the template.
Track 15 allows us to import a first order ambisonic that you can import. Say you used a Rode mic or sound field mic. You can use this free plugin here to convert your plugin to B format and then set up how you want that mic to lay out. Right now, ambisonic recordings aren't spatial until they get into an HRTF or head-related transfer function or some way to binauralize them, right? So they play back over headphones in a spatial presentation. So what I'm doing here is taking the first order recording and laying it out however you want. You can do whatever. You can automate this and lay it out any which way you want it to. And then, we're using our Earth and Sky to add the HRTFs because these have HRTFs built into them to binauralize the first order ambisonic recording and then put it into this whole mastering.
So let's say that I'm recording with the H2N that has 4 channels. Can I put it in track 15 and play with it that way?
Yeah, and you would just want to choose either a plugin that would actually specifically deal with calibration and conversion from A format to B format with that, whatever mic it is. It could be the Tetracore, it could be, like I said, the sound field or Rode mics, now a Rode bought sound field, or it could be the Zoom mic or the Sennheiser mic. They all have their own plugins that you can instantiate right here where I instantiated the surround zone plugin. You would choose that plugin based on whatever mic that you're using for your ambisonic capture and convert that to B format, and then from there, determine how you want to pan that or present that. If we go down to channel 20 here, which is yellow, channel 20 is an 8-channel track right here, and it's interleave, so it's one interleave 8-channel track, and this was recorded with our microphone, the Hear360 8-ball microphone, so that has 8 channels if you want to use it that way. If I go to that track right here, that content is already spatial, so it doesn't need to be routed to Earth or Sky or anything because it's capturing a spatial presentation in its own right. So it's never going to need to be bused to Earth or Sky because that would double spatialize it, and we don't really want to do that nor need to do that, right?
Yeah.
So these are all binaural spatial presentations.